Alright, this is a step-by-step guide on how to create a YouTube channel. First of all, once you have an email account, automatically that email account is a YouTube account. Then it's left for you to make it a channel. Then to create a channel, go to your website and search for YouTube Studio. You can also create a channel using the YouTube app, like directly inside the YouTube app, but I prefer this YouTube Studio because it's just like it gives you a more wider view on YouTube activities. You can check your insights, your everything is in this YouTube Studio. I don't know about the YouTube app. I don't usually go through my YouTube app. So this is it. When you come here, you search for YouTube Studio. You search for this. As you can see the first one, YouTube Studio. You also click on it. So when you click on that YouTube Studio, it brings you to this interface. It tells you to get the app, which is to download the app if you want to, or you can continue through the website, which is continue to Studio. So we are going to click on this continue to Studio. If you want, you can download the app. Now this is my YouTube interface. This is an already existing channel, as you can see. Now to create a new channel, you come here at this left and right hand side, upper right hand side, you see T. Now this T is the beginning of my channel name, which is the hidden archive. That's why you are seeing T. Now if you have not created a channel yet, you are going to see the beginning of your email address. That is what you are going to see here, the beginning of your email address, if you don't have any channel at all. Now we are going to click on this T, this icon close to create. You will now see switch account. Remember, this hidden archive now is an already existing channel. Now I want to create another YouTube channel, so I'll click on switch account here. For you don't need to switch accounts. You just have to go ahead and set up the channel. Now I clicked on switch account because I already have an existing channel, and then I want to log into another channel. Now remember, I told you any email address you have automatically is a YouTube account. Now these are all my email addresses, and all of them are YouTube accounts. Then if you come under them, you will see no channel. Now I can, even though no channel is being written under them, I can still use them to watch YouTube videos. Do comment. I think I can still use them to do a whole lot, even though it's no channel. But now I want to create a channel. I want to use this account. Let me check. Okay, I want to use this one. I want to use this my YouTube this is my email address here to create another YouTube channel. So I'll click on it. Now after clicking on that email address, it brought me here. It says this is my email address name, so I'm not going to use this name. I'll change it to the name I want my channel to be. So I'm going for I'm creating a kiddies something like a kiddies channel for kids cartoon and nursery rhymes. So that's what I want to be making. I want to be posting on this channel, so I'm just creating the channel for it. So this is the name I want to use for the channel. Here is the early learners series. I'll go ahead and click on create channel. I'm going to skip this. I'm not putting anything on this last name. I'm just going to continue and click on create channel. So this is the channel. The channel has been created. Now from here you see no subscribers, everything is just like that. This at the left hand side, all these things are things that you should also know, but I'll not be going deep into that side. Let us first of all create this channel. Once you've come to this level, you come down here at this lower left hand side, and you click on this setting icon. You click there. When you click there, now we are setting up this YouTube channel. We are setting it up. When you click there, you come to upload default. You click here, upload default. When you click there, you scroll down to visibility. And you select, you can leave it at public. This means if you leave it at public, this means any post you're making is going live directly. But me, I normally use private because I don't want my post to go live immediately. I like scheduling my post to go live after maybe a few hours. Now you have to select anyhow you want your post to go. Do you want it to go live immediately? Anytime you are posting it, it should just go live. You choose public. Then if you want it to go live after some hours, you choose private. And remember, I taught how to schedule posts using I think still using this YouTube Studio. So you can go with private, and I explained what private and unlisted means. Now the essence of choosing private, it gives the algorithm time to understand your video. If you are choosing private, which means you are giving the video some time before it will go live, then it gives the algorithm time to understand what your video is all about and to know where exactly to distribute your video. That's the essence of going for private. But for you, if you don't understand, you can always leave it at public. So me, I'm going for private. My visibility is private, of which when I'm scheduling my post, I will not use my hand to schedule when I want after this so hour you should go live. Then we come to advanced settings. We go to advanced settings. We'll click here, advanced settings. We are done with this basic info. As you can see, we are still under basic info. Now we want to go to advanced settings, still under upload default. We'll click there. Now we want to set a category for our YouTube. Every YouTube channel should have a category. Is it education? Is it entertainment? Blah blah blah, whichever one. So for this, my YouTube channel, I told you is a kiddies this thing YouTube channel. And for this, I'll be going for under category here. I'll be going for education. Now you know the type of content you'll be making. Is it comedy, anything? Just go according to the content you want to be creating on that YouTube channel. Now my other channel, it was film and animation, because I always post animated videos there, so I chose film and animation. Then for this one, I'm going for education because it's kind of an educative content for kids, so I'm going to choose education for this channel. Then we'll go and we'll scroll to this automatic doubling. Is it doubling? I'll be doubling. Enable. It's like it's enabled already. Okay. This helps. This automatic doubling helps. Like if, for instance, you make a video with English, and in some countries where they don't understand the English, they are going to transcribe that your English video to their own language. And for instance, you make a video with Igbo language or any native language, it's going to transcribe that video to other people's language when it gets to them. So we are going to, I've already turned it on. It's on. Review dubs in, it's already on, as you can see from here. It's on. Then comment, show how many viewers like this video. Do you want people to see how many viewers you have on your video? You leave it on. If you don't want people to know how many viewers you have on your this thing, you can turn it off, but I'm leaving it on. I'm just leaving it on. And now when we are done setting here, we are done with this upload default. Now I want to go to channels. Here at the upper left hand side, you click on channel. There is a setting we want to put there. When we come here, just country of residence, just skip this side. We are not doing anything here. Just go to advanced settings here. Then it says this place now I want to set is your channel made for kids. It said that you will set it. Do you want to set your channel as made for kids? You say yes, set this channel as made for kids. I mostly upload content made for kids. Then the other option said no, set this channel as not made for kids. Now you are going to set your channel, you are going to choose the second option. Your channel is not made for kids, so that they will not be showing your content to kids, because it is not meant for kids. Unless you are opening this kind of my channel that is solely made for kids, you can choose no. You can choose yes. I mean, if your channel is about kids, you can choose yes, but otherwise you are going to choose the second option, no, not made for kids. But for me, my channel is made for kids, I'm going to choose yes. After that, I don't think there is anything else to set. Let's check. This channel is made for kids mostly. I've already choose yes and change your channel. I've already done that. I've already selected my channel. Then don't show potentially inappropriate words. All the sides are not necessary, so we are just going to skip all these sides. Allow third-party companies to train AI models using my content. We are going to skip all this side. I don't think there is nothing necessary. The only necessary thing that we did in this channel is just to set our channel, is it made for kids or not, and then all these places are not necessary. When you are done, you just click on save. Then you are done creating a YouTube channel. And remember, all these procedures you can still set them when you are uploading a video from this, when you are scheduling your posts from this YouTube, what's it called, YouTube Studio. When you're scheduling your post, you can also see options to set all these things again. They will also bring out all these options again to select is your content meant for kids and stuff like that. Then let's go to all these icons here. As you can see, let's just take a look at them one after the other. So this one here is your dashboard. That's the interface you're seeing now. This is the dashboard, and here is channel analytics. This is where you check. There is nothing here at all. There is nothing on this channel analytics. I have not uploaded anything. You didn't get any views in the last 28 days because I don't have any video yet. As you can see, we just created this video, but assuming I have a video here, this is where you check how many subscribers you have, how many views, how many likes, how many comments. It is on this analytics. Then we'll still scroll. Let's check what this one is. This one is channel language. I don't think it's necessary. There should be content, so I'm looking for content. Okay, this one here now, is content. This is where you see all your content, all the videos you've uploaded is under this content. Let's check the next one. This one is community. There is nothing to talk about there. Let's go to the next one. For people where they do copy and paste, this is where you see your copyrighted content. This is where you see your, if any of your content is copyrighted, they are going to move it here, and you just come here and delete them. Let's check the next one. This is how to monitor when your channel is monetized. As you can see, this is where you monitor when your content will be monetized. It says start your earning journey. We never even start. I've not even started anything. You can also set up two-step verification. I'm not going into that. You can check out this by yourself. Then we see eligibility. 1,000 subscribers now. I never even get one. As you can see, it's eligibility for earning 1,000 subscribers. But my other channel is saying 500. Why is this one still saying 1,000? As you can see, 0 subscribers. Public watch hours. The watch hour where would they hustle to get? See, it's 4,000 watch hours. I never get anything. It's still 0. Views, 10 million views, still 0. So this is where you monitor how your eligibility status, how far you've gone, and stuff like that. Now this is to put a profile picture. They call it banner or something like that. So we are going to just click here, this icon here, this C here. You click there. It's going to take us to our YouTube app. So this is it. Once it brings you here, you just click on this edit icon here. You click the edit. And remember, you can also change your name. Maybe you don't want the name again, the name you chose. You can just come here. When you click at that edit, you see your information. You can edit them here. Description. I'll add my channel description here later. I'll add my description here later. So we want to change our profile picture. I'll click on this thing. It says take photo, choose from photos. I'm going to choose from photos. This is what I want to use as my banner. I'll just, you fix it, drag it to fit in the interface. Then after that, you just click on save. So that's how to put a banner for your handle, for your channel. And this is a profile picture. The first one we did is a banner, and this one is a profile image. So I'm going to go with this, and this is the profile image. Once you are done, just click on save as profile picture. It will save. Remember, this one is the banner. The first one we did, this one at the back is the banner. Why this one, this small one here, this thing is the, what's it called, the profile picture. That's all. Then if you want to change anything, your name, your handle, you just come here and change it, add the description. That's all. So I don't think we have any other thing. To schedule your post on YouTube, I've already dropped the tutorial on how to schedule posts still using this YouTube Studio. And that's all about YouTube and creating of YouTube channel. That's all about YouTube channel creation. Thank you.